Perplexity tries to revolutionize the way people access and search information on the internet. Performance and speed is at the core of what we do. We've been extensively using Azure AI Studio for this type of workflow where you have an idea, you try things out, and then once you're satisfied, we can take this model, deploy it, and next day it's in productions.
With Azure OpenAI service, we have the ability to control and independently change which model is serving prod traffic. Perplexity Ask started out as a Slack bot. You ask a question and the bot replies with an answer. We hooked it up to web browsing and added the capability to search the internet. It was like magic. We got overwhelmingly positive feedback, and from there created the official Ask Perplexity product.
The underlying models in Perplexity Ask are built on Azure. You want to make sure that no matter what requests people send, the service is safe, is secure, and reliably runs. And that's what Azure enables us to do. You send in a lot of requests to the large language model API, and there are multiple times you repeat the same thing. You don't want to keep paying again and again for the same thing. So what PTUs allow is you can cache the repeated requests, saving costs.
The power of large language models is that you can skip many of those steps. You can prototype with tools like Azure AI Studio, and in a matter of hours or days, you can deploy this feature into your product. We've been working with Azure OpenAI to migrate to a faster version of GPT-4 models. And that essentially led to increase in throughput from roughly 300,000 tokens per minute to 600,000 tokens. You get in twice as much as throughput through only 2% of the cost. This not only allow you to release features in a matter of days instead of months, but also it allows you to experiment much faster and get much better user experience.
We didn't start off as trying to work on a search engine, but rather we were trying to just do cool things with large language models like GPT. We ended up building something that would be useful for basically the entire world.
We're the first generative AI answer engine out there, and we plan on continuing to deliver a seamless and new type of search experience and to continue growing our product using Azure OpenAI service to push us forward.